స్కేల్ తోటి ఎక్కడ ఒక డివిజన్ అనేది ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది. దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం అంటే వెర్నియర్ కోయిన్సిడెన్స్. దట్ వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ వెర్నియర్ కోయిన్సిడెన్స్. ఓకే, fine. VC. So total reading, I can write it as main scale division plus Vernier coincidence times least count. Multiplication of this least count is only for this Vernier coincidence only.
Okay.
It's only to Vernier coincidence only. Okay, na? Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now see the one example. 1 centimeter on the main scale of Vernier calipers is divided into 10 equal parts. Right? Here it is 1 centimeter is divided into 10 parts. If 20 divisions of Vernier scale coincide with 8 divisions of the main scale. Okay, that is 20 divisions, 20 VSD, Vernier scale divisions, equal to 8 main scale divisions. So, 1 Vernier scale division I can write as 8 by 20.
Sure.
So, 1 Vernier scale division will be 0.4 main scale division. They are asking to find the least count. Least count, we know that formula. That is value of 1 main scale division
By number of
Vernier scale divisions. Okay, Vernier scale divisions. Here, 1 centimeter on the main scale of Vernier calipers is divided into 10 equal parts. So, value of 1 main scale division, it is 1 by 10 centimeter by 20. Number of Vernier scale divisions, it is 20 now. Okay, fine. Okay.
Sir, 8 by 20
Huh?
8 by 20 yes, sir.
1 main scale division. Suppose 1 main scale division, it is 2 by 5 or 0.4 MSD. Okay, then we'll get 3 by 5 MSD. 1 MSD means 0.5.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now see, here it is error. Okay, suppose when there is no object, between the jaws, the Vernier should give 0 reading. But due to some extra material on jaws, okay, there will be excess reading. That excess reading can be called as 0 error.
Okay, sir. Access reading.
See here, example they give. Okay, instead of 0, we'll have some value. Here, the main scale, observe here, it is in millimeter. In the question, they will give either main scale division, it is in centimeters or in millimeters. See, here we are having example. The diagram shows a situation when the jaws are touching each other. Suppose this one, you can see. 5th division, it is exactly coincide.
Sir.
Okay, that means the Vernier coincidence will be 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Here they gave it is in centimeter. From 0 to 1, 1 centimeter. How many divisions are there?
0.1.
10 divisions there na?
Yes, sir.
0 to 1. So 10 divisions equal to 1 centimeter. So value of 1 main scale division will be 1 by 10 centimeter. Can I say? Right?
Yes,
okay, fine. See here the first reading. Here the first reading. It lies between 0 and 1. It lies between 0 and 1. And so total reading, we'll consider it as main scale division plus Vernier scale times least count. Okay. Here main scale division is 0 centimeter. Vernier coincidence is 5. Least count is 1 by 10 centimeter.
0.1 కింద రాయొచ్చు.
Huh?
0.1 కింద రాయొచ్చు సార్ దాన్ని.
ఇది 1 by 100 కదా least count. Least count equal to value of one main scale division by number of Vernier scale divisions.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
Right now. So it will be 0.05 centimeter. 0.05 centimeter I can write as 0.5 mm. Right? Okay.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే.
Okay. Like this, we'll find the total reading first. Okay. Like this, we'll find the total reading. And then next it is, here we are having the error. Okay. See, this is Vernier scale 0 is before the main scale 0. Okay. That's why correction will be positive. In the before case, it is the Vernier scale 0 is after the main scale 0. After the main scale 0. That's why error will be negative. Okay. Because see, the total reading here I got it as, total reading I got as 0.5 mm. Okay. So in order to make into 0, error must be minus 0.5. Can I say? Whenever I add these two, total error and then total reading and error. So the total reading will be 0 now.
0, yes sir.
Suppose here my total reading. Okay. Suppose if it is 0.6 mm, what will be the error? In order to make 0 error, what will be the error?
Minus 0.6.
Minus
0.6
mm. Right? Like this we'll find. See, this 0 correction. Okay. That is what on the this one Vernier calipers.
ఏదైతే నెగిటివ్ వస్తుందో దాన్ని కరెక్షన్ కావాలంటే దాన్ని పాజిటివ్
అదే.
పెడితే
Positive ఉన్నదాన్ని నెగటివ్ పెడతాం.
నెగిటివ్ పెడతాం. ఓకే సార్.
Just like in mathematics, complement.
ఎస్ సార్, ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Next, screw gauge. See, this is the screw gauge and this is barometer. Afterwards, I'll come to spirometer.
ఓకే.
Okay. Here you can see, or else I will zoom it. You can see here, we are having this one. Here there is a scale, circular scale, which we can rotate it from 0 to 100. Okay. That can be called as head scale. This can be called as head scale.
ఓకే.
Okay. This we can call as an head scale. This one. Okay. And this can be called as pitch scale. This can be called as pitch scale. Okay. Now, these two are most important, which is head scale and which is pitch scale. Here also, least count, it is value of one pitch scale division. One pitch scale division to the number of head scale divisions. Okay. This head scale can also be called as circular scale because which we can rotate it.
ఎస్ సార్.
Whenever you did the experiment also, you can see at the starting day of the lab, they will teach the Vernier calipers and screw gauge only. That time, students will rotate this head scale. Right now. Okay. Okay, fine. So here we are having the positive error and negative error.
ఓకే.
Same as like in Vernier calipers.
వెర్నియర్
We are now see, pitch is defined as the, okay, this one it is most important. Pitch is defined as the distance moved by the screw. Okay. When the circular scale is given one complete rotation. That means, see here, between the jaws, here I will keep an object. Okay. Whenever this pitch scale, horizontal line is there, na? This line. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Or else I'll show. This line. Wherever it touches the circular scale, that will be the okay head scale. That will be the reading. Okay, that is HSR, head scale reading. Okay, na?
Okay.
Fine. Okay. After that, it is now in the pitch scale. One of the division will be exactly coincides with the head scale division. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now here it is that you can see pitch scale or pitch scale reading. Distance moved by the screw on the linear scale. This one. How much distance it is moved by number of rotations. Suppose after one rotation, if the distance moved, it is 5 divisions. The
5 by
distance
1.
is okay, like that. Okay. Now here you can see on the head scale from 0 to 100. Okay, 0 to 100 number will be there. Okay. Now we are having the screw gauge in the market. We are having the screw gauge in the order of millimeter and in the order of centimeter.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose if we consider millimeter, 0 to 1 millimeter, within 1 millimeter, we are having 10 divisions, right? So 10 divisions equal to 1 millimeter. Okay. So 1 head scale division is equal to 1 by 10 millimeter. That is nothing but 0.1 mm. Okay. Fine. That is equal to 0.1 mm. Okay.
సార్ ఇందులో అయితే mm.
Mm. Here we are having the screw gauge in the order of millimeter or centimeter.
సెంటీమీటర్ అయితే
10
0.0
divisions equal to 1 centimeter.
1
Okay.
centimeter.
That is one division, one head scale division will be 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay. Fine. Okay. Distance moved by the screw on the linear scale.
సార్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్. 10 divisions is equal to 1 mm.
See, on the circular scale, we'll have from 0 to 100.
Yes, sir.
0 to 100. Okay. 0 to 1. We'll have 10 divisions. See on this one. This one.
Yes. Okay, sir.
That one. That will get. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we know the pitch. We know. See how we'll measure the any measurement. That is, suppose I want to find the diameter of a circular wheel or diameter of a sphere or thickness of a hair. Okay, like that, very small. The precision of a measurement determined by the least count. Suppose if I want to find what is the thickness of a string, STR. Okay, or what is the thickness of a this one, what you call thread, whatever we use now, that thread.
Thread.
Okay.
Okay.
In that cases, okay, we can use by using the screw gauge, we can find the thickness of the string.
Okay.
Okay, STR, thickness of the string. Okay, and then accuracy. Accuracy of an instrument represents the closeness. Suppose, let us consider now what is the time. Now in my watch, I can say it is 6:38. say it
Yes,
is
sir.
6:38. Suppose if I told it is 6:38 p.m. Okay. Suppose you will say that, sir, not 6:38, sir, 6:38, 40 seconds p.m.
Okay.
right now. Okay. This value or this reading, it is much more accurate
Yes, sir.
than the first reading. Suppose this is R1, this is R2. So accuracy means that is the value which is closeness to the absolute value or true value or the true value.
True value.
That can be called as accuracy. I think in chemistry, we might study accuracy and precision.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the same thing. Okay, next it is zero error. Okay, here we'll have the three types of errors: positive error, negative error,
Okay.
and then zero
Zero.
error. Same as like in Vernier calipers. Vernier calipers. Suppose if the total reading is plus 0.5. So
Okay.
in order to make into zero error, okay, error must be negative.
Yes, sir. -1.
Okay, like that. See, if there is no object between the jaws, okay, the screw gauge should give zero reading. But due to extra material on jaws, even if there is no object, okay, it will give excess reading. That excess reading, we are calling it as zero error. That excess reading, we are concerned zero error. Now, let us consider an example. I am having the screw gauge. Okay. So, here observe clearly. This is jaw 1, J1. This is J2.
J2.
Between these two jaws, I am keeping the object. Let us consider, I need to find thickness now. Okay. So, I am keeping the wire in vertically. Okay. Fine. Suppose if I want to find, okay, the diameter of a circular object, then I'll keep horizontally between the
Okay.
jaws. Okay. Between the jaws, we
Yeah.
can keep the horizontally. Okay, fine. I kept the jaw. Okay. Now, see here, we are having that. We are having that. It is firstly this horizontal line, pitch scale horizontal line. It meets at the this one, what we call head scale division. Head scale division, right? Okay, na?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, excess reading it is this one, 0.03. 0.03.
0.3.
Okay. Okay. Now, here how to take reading means, okay, this one it is meets, okay, that is 60, 61, 62. In the upward direction, it is increasing.
Yes, sir.
In the upward direction, it
27.
is increasing. Okay. See, this horizontal line, it meets at 67,
67. Yes.
right? Okay, fine. That is 67 first. We know that value of one head scale division is 1 mm. See, in between 60 to 70, 10 divisions are there now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, like that, I'm having the 100 divisions, 67 by 100. That is 0.67 mm.
Yes, sir.
Now, here, the nearest number, it is going to be 7. So, plus 7 mm. So, total reading will be 7.67 mm.
సార్ ఇందులో ఏది ఎక్కడ కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది అలా తెలుసుకుంటాం సార్
E horizontal line, this horizontal line is there, na? That
అది కాదు
meets
సార్
on the heights.
ఇది సార్ 7.7
7. Yeah, that's what. See, here I'm having the this pitch scale horizontal line meets the head scale division at 67th division,
67 సార్
right? Okay.
ఎస్ సార్
That means nearer to 67. Okay, that is next possible greatest integer. It is 17,
ఓకే సార్.
right? Like that. Like that, I got 7. Okay, 7 plus 0.67, 7.67. Among in this reading, I'm having excess reading 0.03. So we need to subtract them.
ఓకే సార్.
That is 7.64 mm.
సార్ 0.03 ఎక్సెస్ రీడింగ్ అని వాడు ఇస్తాడా సార్? లేదంటే అక్కడ కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలా?
We need to find. Okay, that I will tell how to find. The actual reading. Now, zero error is the invert of this one. Okay. Okay. Now, whenever I didn't keep the object, suppose let us consider this is the pitch scale horizontal 0. Okay. Okay. This is head scale 0. Head scale division 0. Okay. This is pitch scale horizontal line. 0 is, that is head scale 0 is above the pitch scale horizontal line by 3 divisions. By 3 divisions. So excess reading it is plus 0.03.
Okay.
Because 3 by 100 now. 3 by 100. Okay. Suppose if it is below, suppose let us consider 5. 5 divisions it is below. Suppose
minus
here I am
0.0.
minus 0.05.
Okay.
Okay. If the head scale 0 is above the pitch scale horizontal line, then it will be positive. If it is, if the head scale 0 is, okay, below the pitch scale horizontal line, then we will have the negative value. Okay, na?
Above means positive.
Upwards means, above means we'll have positive, downward means it will be negative.
Negative.
Okay, like this. Okay, fine. Then we'll see the examples. Another example. Afterwards, we are having a simple pendulum. Okay, simple pendulum. Okay, and then see here, spirometer. We are having this one. See, they gave the, this is the main scale. Okay, this is the 0.
Yes, sir.
Above 0 and below 0 will be. And this one, it is the circular scale. You can see from 0 to 20. Okay, 0 to 20. Okay, usually this circular scale will be in the centimeters. Will be in the centimeters. Okay. Between from any, not only 0 to 20. See here, between 120 to 140, we'll have 20 divisions. We'll have the 20 divisions. That means we can say that one division is equal to 1 centimeter. One division equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. So I want to find the, this spirometer is used to find the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. By adjusting these screws. Okay. This one will touches the ground.
Yes, sir.
Just like our tripod. Nowadays we are using tripod now.
Yes, sir.
Right. Just like tripod only. Okay, fine. So radius of curvature, we are having the formula. This one. L square by 6h plus h by 2. Okay. L, it is the average length. This one, and this one. And h is the difference in the readings. Okay. Between this circular scale and main scale. Okay. Fine. Like that, we are having the simple pendulum also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Simple pendulum. I think in experiment you did. right? And Serrel's apparatus also will be there. Ohm's law, okay, like this. Okay. We'll see the numericals now.
సార్
The-
పీడిఎఫ్ కూడా పంపించారు సార్ ఒకసారి.
We'll see the numericals. Okay, fine. Okay, here firstly we are having the experimental physics. I'll start with experimental physics. Okay, almost I think units and dimensions and the significant figures and significant results. Almost we did for JEE Mains. Firstly, I'll start with here and then finally I'll go to there. The least count of main scale of a screw gauge is 1 mm. Minimum number of divisions on its circular scale required to measure, okay, 5 micrometer diameter. Okay, fine. Now, least count. We are having the formula that value of one main scale division to the number of divisions on the circular scale.
Okay.
Least count. Value of one main scale division to the number of head scale divisions, or we can write it as this one, circular scale divisions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here I need to find the 5 micrometer. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Right? They gave one value of one main scale division. How much? 1 mm they give. That is 10 power minus 3 meter by number of scales. No? So n is equal to 10 power minus 3 upon 5 times 10 power minus 6. That is nothing but 1000 by 5. That is 200. Right? See the option B.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Completed.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next question.
Which one the number of-
The pitch and number of divisions on the circular scale for a given screw gauge, for a given screw gauge are 0.5 mm and 100. Okay. Firstly, they gave that the pitch and number of scale divisions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Pitch scale reading, it is
0.5
0.5 mm. And number of circular scale divisions,
100.
okay, that is 100 they give. Next, when the screw gauge is fully tightened without any object, the zero of its circular scale lies 3 divisions below the mean line. Mean line means horizontal line, na?
Sir.
Right? Mean line means horizontal line.
Horizontal.
So, firstly, they are saying that 0 reading, or we need to find the 0 error. Right?
Yes, sir.
It is, they are saying that it is 3 divisions. 3 divisions. It is below the line. Okay. That means 0 error will be
Negative.
plus 3. That is plus 0.03.
Sir, below అంటే కింద
Below, reading will be negative. Reading will be minus 0.03 mm. So error will be plus 0.03.
ఓకే సార్.
Right? Okay, fine. Firstly, we'll find the least count of this figure. And they gave that the readings of the main scale and circular scale of a thin sheet. We need to find this one. We need to find what we should find thickness of the sheet we need to find. So firstly, I'm finding the least count. Firstly, I'm finding the least count. That is, least count is defined as value of one main scale division to the number of divisions or number of head scale divisions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So least count. They gave that the pitch, it is 0.5 mm. So value of one main scale division, it is 0.5 mm.
Yes, sir.
By number of head scale divisions, it is 100.
Yes, sir.
So we can write as 5 into 10 power minus 3 millimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Fine.
Okay.
Okay, we got the least count. Now they gave the reading. See, they gave the reading. Total reading equal to main scale reading plus coincidence or reading on the head scale HSR into least count.
Least count. Yes, sir.
Main scale reading, it is 5.5 mm. Head scale reading, okay, that is 48.
48.
Okay, error, it is 3. So 48 plus 3 into least count, that is 5.5 plus 51 into least count, 5 into 10 power minus 3. All are in millimeters only. See, so no need. So 5.5 plus 51 into 5 and 255 into 10 power minus 3 mm.
Yes, sir.
That is 5.5 plus 0.255.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but 5.755 mm.
Okay.
That is option C. Okay, na? Right.
సార్ ఇక్కడ 48 ప్లస్ 3 అంటే సార్ ఇక్కడ ఇది సర్క్యులర్ స్కేల్ ఉంది కదా సార్ 48 ప్లస్ 3 రాశారు కదా దాని ఫార్మ్ ఏంటి సార్?
See, here they gave that it is the zero of the circular scale, that is head scale, lies 3 divisions below the mean line.
Okay.
That is, this is the pitch scale horizontal line. This can be called as mean line. Okay. Now, circular scale 0 is lies like this. That means, okay, here it is 3 divisions, it is less now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so error will be plus now.
Okay, okay, sir.
Reading will be 3 divisions less. I can say minus 3 mm or minus 0.02. Error will be plus now.
First, okay, sir.
Like,
ఒకవేళ above ఇస్తే నెగిటివ్ తీసుకోవాలా సార్?
yeah. Suppose if it is above, reading will be plus 0.03. So error will be minus 0.03.
Okay.
Or
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Next question. See the question number 3. A screw gauge with a pitch of 0.5 mm and circular scale. Okay, with 50 divisions. Okay, that means value of one main scale division, it is 0.5 mm. Value of one main scale division.
0.5 mm. Number of
0.5 mm. And circular scale, that is number of head scale divisions. Head scale can also be called as circular scale.
Circular scale.
That is 50. Is used to measure the thickness of a thin sheet of aluminum. Before starting the measurement, it is found that the two jaws of screw gauge are brought in contact. 45th division coincides with the main scale. Okay.
Right.
And 45. And that 0 of the main scale is barely visible. Okay. What is the thickness if the main scale reading is 0.5?
0.5.
And the 25th division coincides with the main scale line. Okay. 25th division coincides. So firstly, I'll find the least count. Least count formula. Value of one main scale division by
the number of circular.
Number of circular divisions or head scale divisions. That is 0.5 mm by 50. Right? So this one I can write as 1 by 100. 1 by 100 mm. Okay. That is my least count. So here they gave that it is okay. Okay. If the main scale reading is 0.5 mm. Okay. So that means firstly we will find error.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Reading it is plus 0.5 now. That is likewise in the mean line. Like this here it is 0.
Yes, sir.
Reading will be 5. So that means error will be minus 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Na? Error will be minus 5. So total reading. That is main scale reading plus screw gauge reading or head scale reading. HSR into least count. Okay. First, main scale, how much? 0.5 mm. 0.5 plus here 25th division coincides. So 25. Okay. Fine.
Yes,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right now. 25 into 25. Here it is minus 5. So 25 minus 5 times least count 1 by 100. Okay. Na? Is it fine?
Okay, sir.
So 0.5 mm plus 20 by 100.
Yes, sir.
20 by 100 means I can write as 0.2 mm. That is nothing but 0.7 mm.
Yes, sir.
That is option C now.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Sir,
Where we take mistake.
sir, HSR.
Wait. Error will be minus 5 now. So 25 plus 5 will get right now. So 0.5 plus 30 by 100. 30 by 100 mm. Okay. That is 0.5 plus 0.3. That is nothing but 0.8 mm.
Okay, sir. ఆ ఎర్రర్ దగ్గర బాగా చూసుకోవాలా సార్?
Yeah. Okay. Right on.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Completion. Fine. Next, fourth question. The fourth question. There are two Vernier calipers, both of which have 1 centimeter divided into 10 divisions on the main scale. The Vernier scale of one caliper has 10 equal divisions. That corresponds to 9 main scale divisions. The Vernier scale of other calipers has 10 divisions corresponding to 11 main scale divisions. The readings of the calipers are shown in diagram. The measured values by calipers. Okay, the measured values by the calipers. Firstly, see the first calipers C1. What I know is that 10 equal divisions corresponds to 9 main scale division. So 10 Vernier scale divisions equal to 9 main scale division. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. So 1 Vernier scale division equal to
0.9.
0.9 main scale division. And they gave that there are 2 calipers of which 1 centimeter is divided into 10 divisions. So 1 main scale division equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Can I say
Yes,
1
sir.
by 10 centimeter? It is nothing but 1 mm.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
on C1, 1 Vernier scale divisions will be 0.9 mm. Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Least count. That is value of 1 main scale division by number
Number of-
of Vernier scale divisions. That is value of 1 main scale division is 1 by 10 centimeter. Number of Vernier scale divisions, it is 0 by 10. So least count will be 0.01 centimeter. Nothing but 0.1 millimeter. Right? That is the least count of C1. Similarly, C2. Okay, fine. Firstly, we'll see the reading of C1. Okay, total reading in the C1. That is main scale reading plus Vernier scale reading into LC. Main scale division plus Vernier scale reading into LC. Okay, na? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see on the C1, the main scale reading. Okay. On the C1, the main scale reading. Suppose this is C1, na? You can see that is 2.8. Right? See, after 2, 8th division, na? This 0
Yes,
is
sir.
coincides with 2.8. Okay. So I can write as 1 main scale division 2 plus this is 2 mm. 1 main scale division means 1 mm. Na? So I can write as 28 mm. Vernier coincidence. Vernier coincidence. I think this one. Na? 7th one you can see.
Yes, sir.
7 into least count. It is 0.1 mm. So 28 plus 0.7 mm. That is nothing but 28.7 mm. That is the reading of the first Vernier calipers. 28.7. Okay.
2.8.
They are asking in centimeters now. So it is how much we'll get? 2.87 centimeter. Okay, na? Fine.
Sir.
Like this, we need to find the reading on the C2 also.
Yes, sir.
Like this, we need to find reading on the C2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Is it fine? Okay.
Sir.
First write down this one, C1. First write down C1. See, next question. A student measured the length of the rod and wrote it as 3.5 centimeter and wrote it as 3.5
3.5.
centimeter. Which instrument did he use to measure it? Okay. 3.5 centimeter means how I can write the total reading equal to 3 centimeter plus 5 into 1 by 10 centimeter. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Na? Fine.
5 into
Honda?
10. Okay, sir.
So here we are having a vernier caliper where the okay 10 divisions in the vernier scale machine with 9 divisions in the in the in the okay 10 divisions in vernier scale matches with 9 divisions. That means 10 VSD equal to 9 MSD.
Okay.
And main scale has 10 divisions in 1 centimeter. That means value of one main scale division is 1 by 10 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So 1 VSD equal to 9 by 10 MSD. So 9 by 10 means 0.9. 9 by 10 into 1 by 10 centimeter. That is 0.09 centimeter.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
write? Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. With this, value of one main scale division it is value of one main scale division 0.1.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if it meets, that means this 3 centimeter it is possible. Na?
Yes, sir.
3 centimeter it is possible. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. And then next, like that, we need to check each and every option.
Okay. Like
Like that.
advance.
Like that. Like what we will do in the multiple correct, na? Or more than one option. Like that,
Okay.
we need to check. We are having a meter scale and this one. We are having a screw gauge. See, screw gauge 100 divisions. Okay. Least count will be 0.1 mm. Right.
0.1.
Okay. Here only we'll get now. This one only will get. This one, a vernier calipers where 10 divisions in the vernier scale matches with 9 divisions.
Sir.
Okay. Because least count it is value of one main scale division, that is 1 by 10 centimeter. Number of vernier scale divisions, that is 10. So least count is 0.01 centimeter.
0.1 centimeters.
And 3.5 centimeter, I can write as 3 plus 50
5.
into 0.01. But 50 it is not there. No? 50 it is not possible. Okay, this one B, because in screw gauge it will get in millimeters.
Yes, sir.
Next one, see the sixth one. The diameter of a cylinder using a vernier calipers. Okay, diameter of a cylinder is measured using a vernier calipers with 0 error. It is found that 0 of the vernier scale lies between 5.1 centimeter and 5.15. the difference it is, I'll put as dx. That is how much? 0.05 centimeter.
0.0.
Okay. The Vernier scale has 50 division, equivalent to 2.45 centimeter. Okay. 2.45 centimeter. So value of one Vernier scale division, it is 2.45 centimeters by 50. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2.45 by 50 means multiply and divide by 2. 2.45 into 2 by 100 centimeter. Okay. 4.90 by 100. That is value of one Vernier scale division is 49 by
49.
1000 centimeter. Okay. Na? Fine. Now I am going to find the first. I'll find the least count value of one main scale division. Value of one main scale division. See, it lies between this one. Na? So this one will be main scale division. 0.05 centimeter.
Sir, 4.90 by 100 centimeters ఉంది కదా సార్.
4.9 by
49 by 1000 centimeters.
4.90 కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే 49 by 1000 కదా.
ఇంకో జీరో అవుతుంది సార్ అప్పుడు.
4.90 అంటే 4.9 కదమ్మా.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
పాయింట్ తర్వాత 9 తర్వాత 0 అంటే 4.9. అది అయితే ఇప్పుడు లీస్ట్ కౌంట్ ఎంత? 0.05. ఓకే. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డివిజన్స్ ఎంత? 50 కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది? How much will get?
5 into 10 power minus 2 by 50.
0.01 by 10 centimeter. That is approximately 1 by 1000
centimeters.
So now the diameter of the cylinder, it is main scale reading plus Vernier coincidence times least count. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now main scale reading. First it is in between. So that is 5.1 centimeter. And Vernier coincidence, they gave 24th division. 24 into 1 by 1000 centimeters. Okay, like this. 5. .1 plus 0.024.
0.024.
అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 5.124 centimeters. Option B. Okay, like this. Once try this one. Okay.
Okay.
Once try this one. Okay. What is the type now? 720. Okay. Okay. Once you try and complete the dinner, shall we
Okay,
meet?
sir.
Shall we keep another class after dinner?
Okay, sir.
Okay. 9 o'clock or 9:30 we have. Okay. By 9:30 we will keep.
Okay, sir.